Handstand. Stand in Tadasana. Place a block a few inches in front of a wall. Come into down dog with your head towards the block. Walk your feet a few inches in as you bring your feet closer together. Pressing into your palms, shift forward and look at your block. Take your right leg and hover it off the floor. Make sure your toes are pointed down. Bend your left leg and hop it up. Keep hopping till it ends up on the wall. Flex your feet at the wall and pull your frontal hip points up. Lift out of your shoulders by pressing into your palms and rolling your shoulder blades toward each other. Keep looking at your block. Slowly come down when you're ready. Repeat this 4 times while trying to find your balance as you gradually work your feet off the wall.